guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know this video is a little bit different than everything else on my channel, but making shirts is so much fun, so I wanted to share. I've been seeing people making bleach shirts all over the internet, so I decided I wanted to try it. And after a few trial and errors, I hope this video is helpful in showing you how I do it. I'm not a professional, but hopefully it helps. So here what I'm doing, I have the spray bottle is mixed with half water, half straight bleach, just regular bleach. And I kind of know about the size of where my vinyl decal is going to go. So I just spray that in the pattern, and remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. I also like to do these in direct sunlight because it makes the bleach pop out more, like it gets whiter than if it was, just sprayed on there and left. It would turn like a yellowy color. So I always tend to leave it in the sun for a good 30-45 minutes just for it to brighten. Okay, now I figured I would show you the Cricut printing process. So I have the image uploaded, have the size how I want it, and then we're going to go to make it up here in the corner. And then over here we want to go to mirror because it flips the image, and I'll show you the paper too. This is where I got really confused when I first started making these. I did not know, like I thought you just put the paper in there normal, peel it off, and then iron it on the shirt. No, you have to mirror it. And then we're gonna go to continue. Alright, and here it says it's set on Vinyl Plus. However, what you want to do is come over here, and I always put it on Iron Plus. So like the second one past the iron on. Okay, here is the roll of the heat transfer vinyl. I ordered it off of Amazon. I will list the brand below. And then we're gonna come over here. It's really hard to do with one hand, bear with me. Okay, got it measured to 12 inches. So then what you want to do for the vinyl is turn it to where the dull side is facing towards you. So shiny, nice side down, dull side towards you. Okay, I also just bought these mats, so they grip the paper very well. But if your mat's a little worn out, you can always use some painter's tape and just tape along the sides to hold it down. Okay, did not load. There we go. All loaded in there. And now it's flashing go, but I always double check. Iron on plus, and the mirror is on. Unload, grab this off.
Alright, so here is the blue shirt after maybe 45 minutes because I really wanted it to lighten up. And here is the red one. And so now what we're going to do is take them off the cardboard and put them into the washing machine with a gentle detergent on the delicate cycle if you have one. And then time for the final.
Okay, so in this process, I'm just using a regular iron. I don't have a heat press or anything. But what I like to do is kind of iron the shirt, make sure all the wrinkles are out, and then place the decal on. And I just have a cut up piece of pillowcase that I have. And I'm doing it in 10-second bursts, just to make sure that vinyl is really sticking to the shirt. You don't want to leave it on there too long because, you know, the chance of burning and making marks and stuff like that. Using an iron does take longer than a heat press. I hope to eventually get one, but for now, an iron works just fine. And also, I wanted to mention, I don't have any water in the iron. Like, you don't need to use the steam part of it or anything. It's just regular, good old iron. Okay, once you peel off the plastic part, make sure everything, like no parts are coming up, and if it does, then just put the plastic down, put the pillowcase down, and go over it a few more times just to make sure it's on there. And then I always like to put the pillowcase back on the shirt and kind of iron it a little more. Not moving it around too much because it can kind of not slide around, but it'll make little sticky spots on it. But that way it really secures it onto the shirt. And that is it. That is my process for making vinyl bleached t-shirts. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything, let me know in the comments below. I do have these listed in my Etsy shop if you would like to own one. And I can't thank you guys enough for all of the love and support. It really means the world to me. And I'll be seeing you guys next week. Thank you.